Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify for digital art brushes, and tools, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. The first thing you have to do, go to the online store and go to the themes. Now you can change the themes if you want and customize them on your home page. So you can choose whatever you want from the themes here. I'm gonna just skip the down theme. Just select the theme and wait to install it. And after this you can publish it and customize it on your home page. So let's go. It will take you to your home page store. So this is your home page. Here the style, if you want to change the style of the home page, you can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. Here this is the settings where you can design your homepage store if you want. We have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can change show separate line. You can also show icons on desktop. You can auto change announcements. Here if you want to enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. You can change the text. You can pass a link or search for something. For example, you can select the collections. I'm gonna select all collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here you find the desktop logo position. You can change it. You can change the main menu or remove it. You can change the desktop menu type. Also you can change the sticky header and you can show separate line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here if you wanna edit the mobile logo position, you can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. Now let's move on to the theme settings. So here you can enable search suggestions. You can put your social media links here, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo section. So here you can select, you have to select your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on this on the browser, digital art. Logo ideas like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is just for example. Of course you have to upload it from your library. You can design here you can edit the desktop logo with, and you can edit the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on now to the image banner. So here you have two images. You can add the first image and the second image. So for example, let's search on some images on the browser. So for example, you can choose from here. I'm gonna choose this. So that's it. You can, if you want to add the second image, you can add it. You can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. You can edit the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can also change the desktop content alignment. Here you can change the animations. You can change the mobile content alignments. Also you can turn this on, stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. The heading of this image banner. So here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Digital art, brush, and tools. You can edit the heading size. I'm gonna make it just medium. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can edit the first button label, you can change the first button link. Here you can use outline button style. So if you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link, and also you can use outline button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the featured collections. So here you can generate the text, describe what this text is about. Digital art brushes and tools. You can add the description if you want. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Here you can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. You can edit the product card. Also you can show second image on hover. You can show vendor and you can show product region. Here if you want to enable quick add button, you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here. You can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here as you like. So that's it. Let's move on to the last section on the website. The last section is the footer section. So here you can change the color scheme. You can show email sign up. You can generate the text here. Here if you want to enable follow on shop. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can save this and exit from here. Let's go to the home page, to the dashboard. So here after you add your first products and import your products, now you can add a custom domain and add the sharing details. After this, next step is name your store. So here type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone and you can change your store email. So that's it. Now you can save this. And after this, all you have to do now is after set up a payment provider and set your shipping rate, now you can launch your online store and pick a plan. You can remove your store password. So that's it. That's how to customize your store and launch it for digital art brushes and tools business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.